Good day, guys. So I'm going out right now. I'm gonna try to go to may buntag bay gawas ko mudagkot kog simbahan, and then I'm gonna also go to the recycling place, which we can send these ones out. These are like mga botilya, mga garapon, mga unsa pa na diya, and it's worth 10 cents each. So that's quite heaps of it. So let's go. So nakamatak ko ganina by before 9, and ang kuan nga ang misa is 9 a.m. Thing is, kapoy mo ko, labal akong ulo, and I'm not doing well. So I'm just gonna go there, maglight na lang ko, and then I'm gonna bring this to the recycling kaning mga cans, mga kuan nga kung naangari sa auto. I'll see how we go, because I need to finish a lot of things today. I need to finish a lot of edits today, and it's gonna suck if I'm not able to finish it. So yeah. Yesterday, I don't know if I have posted. I'm gonna post the video later because it's quite a lot. Nag-shoot ko murag wedding, but they already married, na elope na sila. Thing is, they were just kanang doing a celebration for the bridal party. So nagkuhan sila, nag-gown, nag-unsa, nag-photo shoot, and then they got a Hummer, and then nalaag sila paguman. That was cool. Kamay ra ang kanang kuan. Di kayo dako kayong gasto sa wedding, but dako gyapon. But yeah, ko muna ang kanang misa, but mudagkot lang ko and see how I go.
So for this activity, I'd like to turn to the person next to you and ask them 3 questions. The first question is, what is their name? Second, as the person who already gave the air that one. The second question is, what is your favorite holiday location?
So humana kong dagkot at ta sa recycling. Let's go. So recycling, yeah, 10 cents. Okay, so we're gonna go recycling today. Let's see, it's my first time to do this. Let's go. So yeah, I got these things here, and I just chuck the bottles in there and then scan the barcode there. So yeah, you should not crush the plastic cans. Let's go, let's do this. Okay. Good. Okay. Thanks, man. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, so I got $10. Man. Okay, good. Yeah, I got $20, so that's good enough. I have around 206 containers. The big ones are not getting in, so I'll find a way to get them through. So, mana, $20, mga 200 kabuok ka ng botilya. I got $20 and we're good. So, ang mga dagkong container by wala mahadag refund. But anyway, we'll see how we go. At this point, I'm just here to get some donuts. Let me see. Yeah. So yeah, magkuha mig donuts, magpalit mig donuts, and then yeah, we'll see how we go. Anyway, I'm gonna go and park at Ace Donuts right now and buy some donuts. Cool. Yeah, so I'm here at Ace Donuts. Just getting some donuts for today. And in front of me is the I don't know what it is. It's something. So diri by Carnival. Yeah, palitag jam donuts here. So yeah, that's how it is. May hapon ba? Today's like a very good day, but the thing is, it's not really that good if you think about it. Sa akong end. I got up early today, went to church, did early, because usually I get up early lately. And I went to church and did light some candles there. And at the same time, also, I went out to take care of the recyclables. So in here, sa Victoria, you can bring bottles to kanang bottles nga ay tatak sa barcode nga. You can bring it to a CDS or like a machine wherein you can put the bottles there, and then everyone na scan, you'll get 10 cents out of it. So that's very cool because the thing is, I put in around 200 bottles, mostly kana mga Del Monte na I have it there, but Del Monte na kanang Del Monte saan siya? Dole na kanang mga cans of pineapple juice, and I get 10 cents every time I get it. So I got around $20 for 200 cans and bottles. So that's a good thing already. After that, I bought Samsung cup. We had Mongo for lunch, thanks to Laura, and that's happy. And at the same time, also I what else did I do? I bought donuts. I went to this donut shop, which is, I shouldn't be buying donuts, but carbohydrates. But I bought donuts, samong kanang Ace Donuts diri doon sa mua. And it's jam donuts. Donuts nga butang jam sa sulod. So I have it there, but I can't show it to you because akong ipatungan sa Vocaster. Anyway, that's how the day went, and it's good. I've been using also this to vlog earlier. This is one of my favorite cameras now. It's very good. I dropped it. Nahagtak siya the other day. I was hiking. And siya lumping dito sa ilalom. But the thing is, this Osmo Pocket 3 is really good. Works so good. It's pocketable. I love it. I use it for live stream and indot siya kuha. So in case if you want to get one camera to do it all for vlogging, for quick videos and stabilized, get the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm not sponsored anyway, so it's a very good one. Right now I'm using the Vocaster 2 for podcasting. Usually ako ginagamit pang audio interface for my setup is the Saramonic SR PAX2, and it's like a interface. Kani siya kay pang podcasting. You can put a headphone jack there, and I want to use this here, the XLR mic. But the problem is, I didn't plug this to the computer. So I just plug in a power supply and Saramonic. I can't show it to you because it's been used there, but just tell me how it sounds. I'm just saying that now so that kanang maka-remind ko sa myself if I'm gonna look into my old videos and I'm gonna review my videos. If this is gonna sound good, and I think that audio interface is sounding good. I can see though nga mura ko naga-peak nga sa machine, but sa camera wala, so it should be fine. Anyway, I've been struggling to edit and do everything since for the past few days. I'm feeling na ako ng mga ADHD symptoms. I can't focus. I have no impulse control. And I've been trying hard. Naligo ko sayo. I did cold shower. I also drank coffee and theanine. They say it helps. I got sugar and everything else, but I don't know. It's around 3:30 and it's a Sunday, and I really want to work today because tomorrow I'll be out again. Let's give it another shot. So that's it for today. I don't know. We'll see how we go. Anyway, you can see my garage, how gubot my garage is. That's how it looks. I usually turn off the lights para di makita ba magubot, but that's my sapatos there. That's my camping chair and all the shit in the back. But don't mind it. This is my favorite car here. Subi's on the right. Anyway, muna siya. I won't be filming anymore today because I need to get work done. And I don't know when I can upload this, but hi guys. Hope you're good.